So I'm here on a heat pump. I'm checking the resistance windings on the compressor. I already disconnected it from my my contactor. Got my common, got my run, and I got my start here. So I've already kind of sanded down a little piece of that copper there. So what I'm gonna do is, off of this, one of my leads, I'm just gonna go ahead and touch the copper, make sure it's not grounded, and the other lead I'm just gonna go ahead and connect to each wire, and then one by one test it and check the resistance value on it. So we'll go ahead and do the common first. Get this in position here. So I'm just going to go ahead and clip one of these on there, and then touch the ground, or touch the copper, make sure it's not grounded. Push the button and then see what we got. So this one measures good. So we'll just move on to the next one. Do the run, and now we'll do the start. And that's good. So it looks like the windings are good. Another way what you can do is, off your meter, you can also check for continuity, make sure it's not grounded. Make sure I've got this set. And I'll just do one by one. And it's not grounded, so I already checked the resistance on them too, so all the windings are good. So that's how you check it.